Guess what we're doing? We are in the kitchen today, my babe. But thanks to you, cook, I'll be making a creamy, spicy fish. All the ingredients that you see right now all came with the box. Yep. It's pretty easy and straightforward. This didn't take me more than 45 minutes to make. I had my girl with me the entire time. We've got the fish. This is our protein. The recipe said put butter in the pan. So that's my butter going into the pan. I was really proud of myself. Chopping up some garlic, some chili, adding some oil to the pan. Now we chop some onions. I love onions. Some seasoning, which also came with the box. And of course, a little sip in between, guys. Come on. Add some cream in there, some lemon. I should have let my sauce simmer, I'll be honest. Please let your sauce simmer, guys. Of course, parsley.
This.
I'm not gonna lie, I should have added the wine a little sooner. But it's okay, the food came out absolutely delicious. The flavors were definitely there. One plate was slightly overcooked, but you know, it banged.